Alright guys, got a little tip here for you for your chest deep freezer. So the issue with this one was that it was only getting to about 15-20 degrees, and when I first checked it out, opened it up, had a huge buildup of ice right along here. Big buildup of ice, like out this far, right on the top part here. And so what that typically indicates is that there's air getting in and that moisture is freezing up, and it just builds up and up and up and up until you eventually defrost it. And so that points to there being issue with it not sealing correctly right around here. So that first was the issue, and what can happen with these seals sometimes is over time they just get kind of stiff and flat. And a little trick that you can use to kind of milk these seals, because you can see this one's actually, it's in really good shape. It was just kind of flat. And so I took some cord here and tucked it up in there. And it's just some nylon cord. It's not going to be affected by the cold or anything like that. Just tuck it up in there. That kind of plumps your seal back out, and it makes a good seal. So I thought that was the only issue. Close it up. But I was still getting, now it's sealed up good here. You can see that'll make a perfect seal. But before I put that in there and closed it, and I was still having a little gap, enough to let some air in. So I had to do some more investigating, and I want to show you what I found. What I found was these, not really the smaller ones like this, but the big ones can end up getting, if stuff gets put in the middle here, it can bend this down, which bows up the edges. So that was the first thing I checked for, and that's not really the issue here. There's no major dents or anything like that. But what I did discover is I discovered this dent right here. It's kind of hard to see with all the white, but you can see it right there. Big dent right there. So this dent pushed this down. And what that did was it kind of sandwiched this side down in real tight. And what happened was that caused this side to lift up. And so what I did was I loosened, now these are under pressure, so you want to be careful, but I just slightly loosened these enough so that this could slide. And you can see here, it's actually designed to slide. And so once I loosened those up on both sides, that side and this side, I was able to tap this up, so I had a gap on this side. Then I had my daughter come out and put her weight right here and right here, pushing this side down. And then with a slight gap, I just tapped it down till the gap was closed and tightened it up on both sides. So then when she let go, I had a nice perfect seal all the way around here. And so now we got it plugged back in, and it's going to get up to temp. No air is going to get inside, and it's going to be good to go. So if you're dealing with an issue, trying to figure out why your freezer doesn't seal anymore, maybe this will help you out. If not, this will also tell you how to adjust that, and a little trick with old flat seals. So hopefully it helps somebody out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.